We're going to try going on the Piney Ridge Trail system. And Max, I hear, is laying down by the heater, getting warmed up. Max loves that heater. Okay, so we got everything in the car. It's Gypsy, Max. We get them in the truck and we'll be going soon. The Piney Knob Trail. My backpack and got fishing gear, got the dog leashes. Cloudy day, hopefully it doesn't rain on me, but it's not a far away trail, so ready to go. Okay, so Max and Gypsy are now in the truck and we're ready to go. Let's go, there's hiking Piney Knob Trail. Okay, so I found the trail. It's a little bit difficult to find. I had to park the car a little further, but I couldn't find a parking area because it said on the GPS I had arrived. So I stopped the truck in a area that I could pull out if I couldn't find a trail, but here it is. So I got to go about another 100 yards back to the car and come to this parking area, and there's the trail. Okay, so we are now on the trail, Piney Knob Pine Trail. And it's a kind of a miserable day right now, so I'm probably not going to go all that far because it's like a slowy, sleety mix right now. You can see snowflakes, but they're kind of intermingled with the rain, which is miserable weather. I was kind of hoping it wasn't going to rain. There's a little tiny waterfall. That's like a nice pond you go in the water in the summertime. Nice watering hole. This is like it. We're going to go up this trail a little bit and see what's up here. Nice mountain stream. And different trails you can go on. There's the Piney Knob Trailhead. If you cross this stream, you go into another trail. Something else. Piney Knob Trailhead. I freaking hate this miserable weather. Gypsy's got to stop everywhere. I'm not going to go that far. That's why I left Max in the car, because he doesn't like cold weather. And I didn't think it was going to be this miserable weather. Muddy. But Gypsy can handle it. Max is too little for this. Cross over the bridge. No motorcycles, ATVs, or horses. I don't know why they don't let horses here. I think horses would be neat on all these things. And you can see there's like sleet on the bridge. Stream. We need there was fishing in these streams. Alright, so here's the trailhead system. Grape Smugglers, 2 miles. Road to Flaming Azaleas, 1/10 of a mile. Right now here. And when Flaming Azalea, go this way and come around. So that's what I'll probably do. And it's 2,400 feet elevation top. And there's a picnic rock halfway in the trail. But I don't know if I want to travel the 2 miles, which is this route, come around, go to Gobbler, which you go all the way around this way, all the way to the top of the mountain, back. So we're going to do a little hiking, go on the Grape Smuggler Trail, hit it with the flaming azalea and come back around. Because like I said, this weather is just too bad. So let's go do it, Gypsy Pup. We'll walk the flaming azalea. Bushes are coming down that hard. It was a cool day. Weather's not very nice. It's a nice trail to hike in the spring or summertime. Road coming up here is a little bit rough though. And it's slowed down a bit, which is good. Come on, Gypsy, stop stopping everything. Gypsy, of course, has to sniff everything. We're coming down harder again. It's craps. I hate this wet, rainy weather. It's like too warm to snow, which would have been nice if it was snowing. On this trail you can see these little snowflakes, but that's it.